The new Lamborghini Urus SE. Dare to live more.
I'm sure you've heard the news. A raging bull goes green, introducing the Lamborghini Urus SE Lamborghini, a name synonymous with speed, power, and that unmistakable Italian flair. For decades, they've been the poster child for outlandish supercars. Now they're taking a bold step into the future with the Urus SE, their first ever plug-in hybrid electric vehicle, or PHEV super SUV. That's right, you heard me correctly, a hybrid Lamborghini. Don't worry, it still packs enough punch to satisfy your inner speed demon. This isn't just a gimmick, though. The Urus SE represents a significant shift for Lamborghini. It's a statement. They're embracing electrification without compromising the performance and luxury that define their brand. This is the dawn of a new era for Lamborghini, and it's starting with a roar, albeit a slightly quieter one. The Urus SE is not just another SUV, it's a Lamborghini through and through. It's got the looks, the power, and the pedigree to back it up. But now it comes with a conscience, a greener conscience. Now let's delve into what makes this hybrid beast so special. Buckle up, because things are about to get electrifying. Hybrid heart of a beast, unleashing power and efficiency. The Lamborghini Urus SE is not just another SUV, it's a revolution in automotive engineering. Let's talk power, shall we? This isn't just any power. It's the kind that makes your heart race and your palms sweat. The Urus SE boasts a monstrous hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor. This isn't just a combination, it's a symphony of engineering excellence. The result, a mind-blowing 800 CV. That's right, 800 CV of pure, unadulterated power. That's enough to rocket this SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour faster than you can say Mamma Mia. Imagine the thrill of that acceleration, the rush of adrenaline as you leave everything else in the dust. But here's the kicker, the Urus SE also boasts an 80% reduction in emissions compared to its gas-guzzling predecessor. This is not just a step forward, it's a leap into the future of sustainable driving. Yes, you heard that right, 80%. It's a game changer in the world of high-performance vehicles. This Lamborghini is a friend to the environment. Who would have thought? A supercar that cares about the planet. It's proof that you can have your cake and eat it too. You can enjoy the thrill of driving a Lamborghini while also being kind to Mother Earth. You can have blistering performance without sacrificing the planet. It's a win-win situation for both car enthusiasts and environmentalists. This hybrid system isn't just about being eco-conscious, though. It's about enhancing every aspect of the driving experience. It also enhances the driving experience. The electric motor works in perfect harmony with the sawdust V8 engine to deliver seamless power and efficiency. The electric motor provides instant torque, giving you that neck-snapping acceleration that Lamborghini is known for. It's like being launched from a catapult every time you press the accelerator. And when you want to cruise around town, you can even switch to electric-only mode for a silent and emission-free ride. Imagine gliding through the city streets in complete silence, turning heads wherever you go. The Urus SE is a technological marvel, a testament to Lamborghini's commitment to innovation. It's not just about speed and power, it's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They've taken their iconic V8 engine and given it an electric boost, creating a hybrid powertrain that's both powerful and efficient. It's a blend of tradition and innovation, a nod to the past and a leap into the future. It's the best of both worlds, wrapped up in a sleek and stylish package. The Urus SE is not just a car, it's a statement. Now let's move on to the exterior and see what visual treats the Urus SE has in store for us. From its aggressive stance to its luxurious details, every inch of this SUV is designed to impress. Dressed to impress aerodynamic design and customization. The Urus SE is a Lamborghini, so you know it's going to turn heads. This isn't just any SUV, it's a statement on wheels. A blend of luxury and performance that demands attention wherever it goes. It's got that aggressive, angular design language that screams, "Get out of my way." The sharp lines and bold contours are not just for aesthetics, they serve a purpose, enhancing the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. But the SE takes it up a notch with some aerodynamic enhancements that not only improve performance but also make it look even more stunning. These enhancements are meticulously crafted to ensure that every curve and edge contributes to the vehicle's overall aerodynamics. We're talking about a redesigned front bumper with larger air intakes, a more pronounced rear diffuser, and a sporty roof spoiler. Each of these elements is designed to optimize airflow, reduce drag and increase downforce. These aren't just for show though. They help to reduce drag and improve downforce, making the Urus SE stick to the road like glue. Whether you're cruising down the highway or taking sharp corners on a racetrack, these features ensure that the Urus SE remains stable and responsive. But that's not all. Lamborghini understands that their customers like to stand out from the crowd. They know that owning a Lamborghini is about more than just driving. It's about making a personal statement. That's why they're offering a wide range of customization options for the Urus SE. From the exterior to the interior, you have the freedom to tailor every aspect of your vehicle to your liking. You can choose from a variety of exterior colors, wheel designs, and interior trims to create your own unique masterpiece. Whether you prefer bold, eye-catching colors or more subdued, elegant tones, there's something for everyone. Want a bright green Urus SE with black wheels and a tan leather interior? Go for it. The customization options are extensive, allowing you to mix and match to your heart's content. Want a more understated look with a matte grey finish and red brake calipers? No problem, the possibilities are endless. You can create a vehicle that perfectly reflects your personality and style. The Urus SE is a blank canvas for your automotive desires. It's an opportunity to express yourself and make a statement on the road. So go wild, express yourself, and create a Urus SE that's as unique as you are. With Lamborghini's extensive customization options, the only limit is your imagination. Next, we'll step inside and explore the luxurious and tech-laden cabin of the Urus SE. From cutting-edge technology to premium materials, the interior of the Urus SE is designed to provide an unparalleled driving experience. Cockpit of dreams, the feel like a pilot interior experience. Step inside the Urus SE and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's both luxurious and driver-focused. The moment you open the door, you're met with an ambience that screams sophistication and performance. Lamborghini calls it the feel like a pilot philosophy. And it's evident in every detail. From the layout of the controls to the materials used, everything is designed to make you feel like you're in command of a high-performance machine. The first thing you'll notice is the new human-machine interface, or HMI system. This isn't just any touchscreen, it's a gateway to the car's soul. It features a large touchscreen display that controls everything from the navigation to the climate control. Whether you're adjusting the temperature or setting your destination, the HMI system makes it effortless. The system is intuitive and easy to use, even while you're on the move. The interface is designed to minimize distractions, allowing you to focus on the driving experience. But the real highlight of the interior is the new telemetry system. This advanced feature takes the driving experience to a whole new level. It's like having your own personal racing engineer riding shotgun. The telemetry system provides you with a wealth of information that can help you improve your driving skills. The system tracks your every move on the track, providing you with real-time data on your lap times, G-forces and more. This data is invaluable for those who want to push their car to the limit. The seats are upholstered in premium leather and offer excellent support, ensuring you stay comfortable even during spirited driving. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with every stitch and seam meticulously crafted. And of course, no Lamborghini interior would be complete without a healthy dose of Alcantara and carbon fiber trim. These materials not only look great, but also contribute to the car's performance by reducing weight. The Urus SE's interior is a masterpiece of design and technology. Every element has been carefully considered to create an environment that is both functional and luxurious. It's a space where luxury and performance collide, creating an experience that's both exhilarating and refined. The attention to detail is second to none, making every drive a special occasion. Now let's put the Urus SE through its paces and see how it handles on the road. The driving experience is where the Urus SE truly shines, combining the best of both worlds, the practicality of an SUV and the performance of a sports car. As you navigate through winding roads, you'll appreciate the precision of the steering and the responsiveness of the throttle. The Urus SE feels planted and confident, inspiring you to push it harder. The braking system is equally impressive, providing ample stopping power when you need it most. Whether you're coming to a quick stop or gradually slowing down, the brakes perform flawlessly. The adaptive suspension system ensures a smooth ride, adjusting to the road conditions in real time. This means you can enjoy a comfortable drive on the highway and a thrilling experience on twisty back roads. And let's not forget the exhaust system, which delivers a symphony of sound that is music to any car enthusiast's ears. The roar of the engine is both exhilarating and addictive. Inside, the ambient lighting sets the mood, creating a serene environment for those long drives. The combination of luxury and technology makes the Urus SE a standout in its class. In conclusion, the Lamborghini Urus SE is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a statement of power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. It's a vehicle that makes you feel like a pilot, ready to conquer any road. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest automotive innovations.